Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to create a camera case. I want my camera to have a case, for protection from dust, damages, scratches, and bumps.
Welcome. Please scan. Thank you for shopping at Dollarama.
Hi everyone. How are you? How's everybody? So today we're gonna be doing this bag. We're gonna do a DIY from this to this. It's going to be a camera case, particularly Sony ZV-1 camera. We're doing the design and then pattern and sewing, construction. This bag to a case. We need to get the camera measurements, length, width, and the depth. And if you like this pattern, you can download the pattern. It's free. I have the link below, and you can definitely customize it. So let's get started transforming this bag into a camera case. And to start, we're gonna need to take out the handle first. And I find neoprene as a really good material since it's really soft, it's lightweight, and it has that pad that will provide protection. And since it's a scuba fabric, it's water resistant. It will also protect the camera from moisture. I also added extra battery compartments. It can hold at least 2 extra batteries, which is perfect for vloggers to have a standby batteries. And I also added an extra space for the quick release plate tripod head, so I don't have to take that every now and then, when I'm finished or I'm filming. I don't have to take it out. I can just leave it there and it's good. And as for the closure, we can use several other options like snaps, magnetic snaps, but what I find very convenient and also very strong as a closure is the Velcro. It's better to get that one strip Velcro, and I get the dotted one since it's the only available Velcro that I have around. And we make sure to reinforce it by stitching around 3 or more stitches, so it's really strong and it can hold, just to make sure that it will really stand the use, the wear and tear. Going to be how wide I'm going to fold. After I tried it with the camera inside and fold, so it would give me like a closure, Thank you so much everyone for watching this video tutorial. I really hope that you like it, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And of course, you don't want to miss out new videos coming up, so please hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I have new videos coming. Bingo! Yay! And thank you so much. I will see you on my next vlog. Bye, everybody.